In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Canva newsletter in your emails, and you'll be able to do this in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make sure that your beautifully designed newsletters reach your audience flawlessly. First up, you need to open your Canva newsletter design. Ensure that it's polished and ready to go because this will be the visual piece of your email. Once you're certain it's perfect, move on to the next step, which involves downloading the design. On the top right corner of Canva, you'll see a share button. Click on it and then select the download option. We recommend downloading your design as a JPEG or PNG. These formats are widely compatible and maintain high visual quality, which is crucial for making a strong impression with your email. With the image downloaded, it's time to open your preferred email platform. Whether you're using Constant Contact, MailChimp, or another service, the steps are quite similar. Go ahead and create a new email or open a draft you've been working on. This is where your Canva image will live, so make sure there's enough space in the layout to incorporate your design fluidly. Next, it's time to insert your freshly downloaded image into the email body. Most platforms have an image upload feature, often symbolized with a small picture icon. Click on that, select the downloaded Canva image from your device, and insert it into the email. Now, your newsletter is visually embedded in the email, but we're not done just yet. Think about your email's overall message. Is there any text or additional links you need to include alongside your newsletter? If so, add any necessary text or links around the image now. This is your chance to provide more context, direct your audience to your website, or include calls to action, making your newsletter not just visually appealing but functional and informative. Once your email looks perfect, don't skip testing it. Before sending it out to everyone, send a preview to yourself. This step ensures that the image is displaying correctly and allows you to check if all links and text are formatted properly. It's your safety net, ensuring that what you see on your screen is exactly what your audience will receive. Finally, feeling confident about your test, it's time to send or schedule your email. Simply click on Send or choose the Schedule option if you've aimed for a strategic send-off time. Congratulations! You've successfully embedded a Canva newsletter into an email, ensuring that your creative design reaches your audience in excellent form. Remember this workflow for future newsletters, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!